Make this quick.
M&J Habitat here. We're going to go in and do another hive inspection. We're rapidly nearing day 60. We're going to check to make sure we're not honey bound. Pollen patties.
Can't see. I don't got my sunglasses.
Okay, girls. Be nice today, huh?
Look at all of them. Okay, girly. Just flying around my head.
Yep, they're in my face right off the bat.
Mine too. There's a bunch underneath that box down there too. Oh yeah.
Well, guess I'm going to have to use a little smoke. Look, they're boiling out of the box.
Yeah.
Get off. Okay. We're going to pull the top box. We're going to set it off to the side.
And that.
And we're going to try to get into this bottom brood chamber.
Okay.
See what's going on with our brood. It's time to start prepping for winter.
Oh, okay, bee. Be nice.
They don't like that crack.
No.
And I can tell you this box, it's heavy.
I think I might need some gloves.
Okay, girls.
Okay.
It's plenty nice today.
Let me go get a pair of gloves.
More protection on today than what we normally wear. We're going into a dearth, so the girls are a little cranky. We got to check this bottom brood box out. We got to make sure we're not honey bound.
Oh, mercy, that is honey. Yep. Okay, look for her.
Well, I got brood. I got brood on the outside frame. A lot of nectar. I want to see some larvae because I can't spot eggs. A little bit of brood. Got some honey built out there.
I don't see any eggs.
No, I don't see eggs. But we got brood. There is empty cells there. See, I'm a little clumsy in these gloves.
Yes. Smoke them.
I'm not going to smoke them. They sure are hitting my face screen, though.
Mine too. Glad I got it on today.
Got more brood. I see some drones walking around. Yeah, we got some drones. Looks like there's some pollen in there. I don't see eggs. We got some brood. A little bit of brood. Looks like this has been emerging.
I don't see any eggs.
Little drone cell there in the corner. Don't see any supersedure cells. We're looking for queen cups, any signs of swarming. There's one cleaning up some paper. A lot of bees in this box. Look at them down in there.
I see them. You were worried there wasn't.
A lot of bees. See, I can't be gentle with these gloves. I don't like these gloves.
Can you pull them up tight on your fingers?
Just don't feel like swelling up this week.
Can you pull them up tighter on your fingers?
Come on, girls. Don't get nasty. See how much glove is hanging out. Oh, this is all nice brood. A little bit of drone comb over here. There's larva. Down here in the bottom. I don't know if you come over my other shoulder. You see the bottom center and bottom right. Can you see the white?
Right there,
Can you see it on the camera?
Not really.
So we got
There's
fresh.
larva right there.
We got fresh larvae, so our queen is still.
She's there somewhere.
She's still running around the box. She's a pretty little golden queen. There's quite a few drone in here.
Yeah.
But once again,
Oh my.
I don't see any supersedure
They're flying around
cells.
our faces bad today.
Yeah, well, look how many bees are in this box.
Yeah.
And I'm being a little not as gentle because of these gloves. See them hitting me?
Yeah, you want these?
Nope, I don't.
Okay.
I hate putting that much smoke on. There's just a lot of bees in here.
Yes.
Yes, there is. I think I really like working barehanded better.
Can't slide the gloves tight on your fingers or...
Nope. Sure can. These are not the ideal. See, I can't even grab this frame.
A lot of drone brood.
Cat brood. They stopped drawing comb. A lot of cat brood. We got empty cells. We got pollen. They're putting away pollen. So there's something going on out here in the fields. There's some more drone brood.
No sign of her.
I'm looking for, oh, there's a queen cup right there.
Yeah.
Right there's a queen cup.
Oh, right there?
Yep.
Hold it, let's get a picture.
Come over here. Oop.
Got it.
Okay. Here's another queen cup. Here's another queen cup.
Yeah. I see them.
There's several queen
Larvae
cups.
in it.
You're in my son.
Can't see if there's anything in that. Let me see. I don't see anything in that cup.
I don't
There's
see
just a larva
anything,
right there.
but they're definitely building. They're definitely building queen cups. Not necessarily a queen cell. So this is the fourth frame. I think I just might have squashed a bee. Come on, girls.
Yeah, they're not liking this today. Too hot.
We gotta get in here.
Yes, let's get in.
And see, by smoking that,
Yeah, you're pissing them.
we're running the queen.
Oh, yes.
We're running the queen away from us every time we do
Yep.
that.
She could be back on the other one.
But we got larvae. The box is getting crowded. That's why they're building queen cups.
Bunch of more brood.
We got plenty of brood in here. I was afraid we didn't have any laying room. Some drone comb down. There's some fresh larvae right there in the corner. Don't see a supersedure cell. Are you trying to bite me? More brood.
Falling on that one.
Yep. Looking for queen cups.
Don't see any.
Supersedure cells. Boy, she's doing a nice job. You know, there's a lot of
There's a
brood.
lot of bees.
There's a lot of bees. I cannot work in these gloves.
I know. You can have these.
Nope.
I'm not going through these.
Well, I haven't been stung,
Just
but
mashing
look,
them.
I can't.
Just mashed
See
it.
that?
Mashed it. Yep, now they're on it.
Yep.
Oh, you got him right under there, under the board.
Sure did.
Oh boy. Yeah, there they go.
Just let them calm down. You can stop filming. It's going.
Okay. Went into the top box now. Check it out. Big drone. 2 big drones.
It's all honey. Yeah, see, they're starting to cap this side. I cannot work in these gloves.
Yep.
Being way too rough.
Got a lot of honey too.
This top box is probably going to
Yeah.
be.
A lot of big drones.
This is all honey. Drones up here eating away. Come on, girls. There's larvae. Yeah, there's larvae up here. She could be up here in the top laying.
I don't see her.
Yeah, there's larvae on both sides.
Good.
See, she's getting tight for space. drop it.
A lot of big drones. Big drones. A lot of honey too.
Yep, we got cat brood up here. There's a little bit of larva. Cat brood up here. She's laying top and bottom. Gonna have to do something about this glove situation. We're gonna shake these bees. Watch yourself. I didn't bring my brush. That's going in the swarm trap. That's my plan. That'll give me room for that extra frame I put in that bottom box. More cat brood. Drone comb, cat brood. Wish I knew where that queen was.
Yeah, I'm looking for her.
That's not her right there, is it?
That's what I said.
No.
Okay. When you shook that box, there was a big one. It was a drone.
Just a drone, yep. Come on, girls.
See her.
Little larva. There's some fresh larvae in here.